Hello students, this is the tutorial for multimedia and web technology. In the last classes we have studied about multimedia, components of multimedia and applications of multimedia. Today we will start a new topic, that is sound channels and sound depth. The audio signal is split into multiple channels so that different sound information comes out of the various speakers. Mono has only one channel, whereas stereo sound has two channels, left and right. If one instrument or voice is only produced in the left channel, it will seem to originate from the left side of the listening area. If a particular sound is only slightly louder in one of the channels, that sound will seem to originate off center slightly towards the channel in which sound is louder. The two channels in stereo are used to give the audio in a sense of depth. So, what is the difference between stereo and mono? So let's discuss stereo versus mono. Stereo sound has two independent channels, one left and one right. The left and right signals of the stereo signal are similar but not exactly the same. The two channels are used to give the audio a sense of depth. If some instrument or voice is only produced in the left channel, it will seem to originate from the left side of the listening area. If a particular sound is only slightly louder in one of the channels, that sound will seem to originate off center slightly towards the channel in which sound is louder. If you have two speakers but supply mono signal to both of them, there will be no sense of separation or depth. If a mono signal fed to both channel of a stereo amplifier with a speaker on each channel, the output will be mono. So, mono with one speaker. So let's see with one speaker here. In this diagram, you can see here a diagram. In this diagram, the speaker is directly in front of the listening position and the audio appears to originate from the speaker, right? Okay. And next, mono with two speaker. Let's see what will happen with two speakers. In this diagram, you can see that the same signal is reproduced by both speakers. Since the signal content going to each speaker is precisely the same, this is a mono system. If the level of the signal is the same in both speakers, the signal will appear to originate in the center of the position. You can see that the signal contained from each speaker is the same, but it is slightly louder in the right channel. This means it will seem to originate a little to the right of center. Okay. Now we will study about stereo audio. You can see here a diagram. So in this diagram, you can see that the X portion of the audio is reproduced equally in both channels and appears to originate in the center of the two speakers. The Y portion of the audio is only in the left speaker and appears to originate from the left speaker's position. The Z portion of the audio is only reproduced by the right speaker. This means that it will be appear to originate from the right speaker's position. You can see that the Y portion of the audio is produced in both channels but is 8 reduced level in the right channel, this will cause the image of the Y part of the audio signal to appear to originate from left to center. This is how the audio stage is reproduced with a stereo signal. Okay, you can, I think this was the difference between mono and stereo signals. Thank you, students. We will continue in the next class.